the other two that I think about that are key to every one of us is time. It's in how much time we have on this earth, because it's a finite amount. We know that for sure. We're all going to die, not today, hopefully, but we don't know how much we have and what the quality of the rest of our lives is going to be. So I think for me, to help people recognize that that is your most precious resource, and we don't want to waste it. And the second thing is what you said, health, and I would call it energy. So your health can be your physical health, it could be your mental health, emotional health, all kinds of things fall under that bucket of energy. And money is also an energy, but we'll talk about that in a bit. So today's session, I want it to be quite interactive. So if you've got something you want to ask me, a burning question you need to get off your chest, feel free to stop me. Otherwise, my plan is to kind of quickly counter through some of these concepts within 20 minutes. So we've got plenty of time for Q&A, and then if there's anything else that comes up, we can talk